If you're new to makeup, here is a color correction crash course. Color correctors are usually used to mask or adjust the tones of the makeup, hide dark circles, or correct the redness on the face. Blue color correctors are used to neutralize the yellow or warm undertones. You buy a foundation, it looks great in the store, but when you get home, it seems a little yellow. Mix a little bit of blue color corrector in the foundation. That will neutralize the foundation. You can add more as required. This is what the foundation looked like originally, and this is how it looks with the blue color corrector. This is how it looks on my skin, and this was the original shade of the foundation. You can see how this side is more warm than this side. Orange or peach color correctors are used to neutralize the dark circles under the eye or any kind of hyperpigmentation on the face. If you're fair, pick a pink color corrector. If you're medium, pick a peach or orange color corrector. If you're dark, pick a orange or a red color corrector. Adding some fake dark circles, apply a little bit of orange color corrector. Use a concealer blush or your finger to gently press and blend. Very little bit of powder. And then go in with your favorite concealer. Once you blend the concealer and set the under eye, you will see a flawless under eye. The green color correctors are used to neutralize the redness on the face. When you have redness on the face and you add a little bit of green color corrector and you mix them, green plus red equal to brown, which is our skin tone. So the green color corrector masks the redness and makes sure it doesn't peek through the foundation. Add a little bit to the areas where you have redness, let it dry, press it in so it doesn't move. Take a little bit of foundation and just gently press it on top of the color corrector and create a flawless complexion base. I hope this mini color corrector crash course was useful. Save this for later and follow for more such makeup tips. Always remember, makeup is easy, makeup is fun, and makeup is for everyone.